Hey everyone, Zadius here. Welcome to another PS4 video. So today I'm going to be talking about the PS4 7.51 software update that Sony released this week. And it looks like they've done it again. A lot of people are reporting that their PS4 has been bricked. So I put a poll up on my community tab on my YouTube channel, and it looks like 70% of the people who responded to this poll are stating that their PS4 has been bricked and it's no longer working. So they end up in a safe mode loop, or they get an error code and they can't start the PS4. So yeah, 140 people took that poll, and yeah, 70% of those are reporting problems with it. So one other problem is that you can't sign into the YouTube app. So let's take a look here. Go to my apps, and I'm going to go to YouTube, start it up, and we're going to see if we can sign in or not. So people are reporting they get an error message. So let me go ahead and try it out. I'm going to try to sign in and see if I get an error message and what that error message is. So I'm going to click sign in. Whoa, error has occurred. NP-37602-8. So those of you who have not installed the 7.51 update yet, I recommend you hold off on it. As far as I know, it's not a mandatory update, so you should be fine with the 7.50, because that one was a mandatory update and you couldn't play online games on that one, for example. But 7.51 was a smaller update that came later. Doesn't look like it's mandatory. So I would say for now, turn off automatic software updates to be installed for your PS4 system software. If your system downloaded it, I would say go ahead and delete that update for now. Hold off on it until Sony fixes these problems. You don't want to install this update. We've already seen several problems. If you watch my previous video before this one, you'll see that I even got an error when trying to install the software update 7.51. And even though I got the error, it still proceeded to install it, and it says I have 7.5. There's other problems that are introduced. Some people are describing that their PS4 is running really laggy. A lot of people are reporting this problem with the YouTube app not being able to sign in. Very disappointing. So I'm going to investigate this further to see if I can find a fix. So make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can get notified when I release a video if I'm able to find a fix for this. So until the next video, I'll see you then.